This is the Strzelecki 40 litre system, which we can also put our 25 litre or 40 litre roll bag across the top of that. I just want to show you how easy this is, and how light this system is. So what we do, this is attachment point number 1. On the T7, I'll go around the rear light, and these plastic guides here, that's all they are, as guides. So what you're going to do is come back through that. We're going to go around our fitting here. We're going to go around our light, and we'll put the guide on the side of the attachment point that we're going into. So I'll just put that around my light there. I'll come underneath with my guide. You don't need to put weight on these little plastic guides at all. And this is my second one. So I will come around like so, and I'll come back around. You can see how easy this is, and once you've done it once, it's even easier. So that's there. They'll pull into place once you've got the front ones done up. Now for the front ones, although we do supply these attachment points, you actually don't really need them. You can use them, no problem, but not all bikes need them. And then what we'll do is we'll go around the frame here. That's an option. If you want to go through that, that's fine. And then up the top here, we have our attachment points. And so we just come up through there, and we pull that down, and then we come up, do it the same on the other side. I'll just go around the frame quickly. There. I'll come up underneath, and I'll come up into the attachment point. So, and with the lengths of these, you're probably best just to, you can just stick them up underneath the rackless base so you never cut them. And you know, that is now fitted, and that's how easy it is. So you can really lock it in once you've set it up, and then that sits really tight. You can literally pick your bike up with this. So if you remove your grab handles, you can literally pick your bike up once you've got luggage in here. This is empty at the moment. If you need to and your bike's on the ground, just grab the rackless base, or on the T7 there's handles here. There's lots of other different places you can do it. But you could pick your bike up, you know, always turn your handlebars out. Also, that's another little tip if you're picking your bike up. It's a lot easier. It's very tough. You can crash this and nothing's going to happen. Always turn your handlebars out. Also, that's another little tip if you're picking your bike up. It's a lot easier. This stuff here is tough as nails. It's light as anything. There's no extra weight. This is as light as possible I could make it. I've designed it so it sits in front of your axle. When the weight's over the rear of your axle, it amplifies the suspension, and your bike gets that pendulum effect. The other really important part about the Rackless is it sits in really close to the bike. Like, there's no sitting out. All right guys, beauty. I'll see you on the next one.